This screencast will explain how to request books for independent reading books for Read 180. So this video is going to assume that your students have already identified books that they are interested in reading, and those books have been identified on the bookshelf as being paperback copies that they have to request from their teacher. So once a student knows which books they want to read, they are going to fill in the Read 180 independent reading book request. Okay, so this is a Google form, and they're going to fill in their first and last name and the books that they are requesting. So I would strongly encourage students request 2 books at a time. That way, if there are not enough copies of a book, then they have a backup. And so they will write those titles in here, and then they will select which teacher they have for period 5. So what I am going to encourage that you do is maybe fill the form out for the student. So that would be a thing that you could do. You can also just give the link to the students to fill out, but you can fill out just all the requests at one time, and any books that you are requesting will be honored on the list. So that is how to request independent reading books on the Read 180 Google form.